And here is the banana in its new home next to the china cabinet. Yeah, we're gonna dig it up. We're gonna dig it up. Look, it drips on itself in the mornings. You see that? Hey, that's cool. I didn't realize it did that stuff. Yeah, she's in here. She's all opened up. Get the Viper Spectre over so I can control the amount of light that she gets. She seems to really be enjoying it. So, yeah. Well, that's in my kitchen now with me. So, yeah. I'm gonna get her a bigger pot too. I'm gonna try to. I'm not really trying to get taller, but I'm trying to get like double the size. And go from like this, I guess it's like a 25, 30, maybe take it up to like a 50. So, but we're gonna try to dig this little man around of there. Hope we don't fuck the mama up, because I know they're attached, but I don't want to let it keep growing in there, so I don't think that's probably a good idea. I don't know. Fucking that's how it would go with nature, though. It would just be there growing, so I don't know. We'll work it out. So, alright, y'all. Oh, wait. I'll show you. I got a big ass fern in here now, too. Yeah. Big old fern. You ever seen one of these, a weather deal? It's pretty firm. My grandma can't take care of it anymore, so that's coming to me. So we'll do her justice. Feed her up good. Got a little Pasita light over it. So, alright, y'all. Just over here to give an update about those. Peace out. What's up, y'all? So, it's been a while, again, since I showed you this. So, I talked to a buddy of mine, and he was telling me, you need to trim them plants because they're just getting stupid lanky on you when you're growing pepper vines. And what's the point of that? And well, so I took his advice and we mowed him. And he says you just didn't have enough light over them with that damn LED. You're running that one. So he's like, you want it to work right, you're gonna have to give a little more juice out there. So Blamo, he hooked up both Grow Stars. So we spread out the light a little bit and we cut the tops off of them a ton. So we'll see what that does to everything out here. Ain't none of it gonna die. I mean, it's just gonna regrow and have new sprouts pop out everywhere on it, and that'll be that. So all still doing great in the Rizentech soil with the little Rizentech mats underneath them. I've seen a guy put those in the pot. I don't know exactly what that. I don't know. I like them under the pot. It helps keep them up off the ground and everything, and lets the air move underneath them nicely. It's a mess out here. I need to get out here my leaf blower to blow all that dead material off there. My daughter ain't been helping a lot. So she busy. She back in school. I mess with her friends all the time. Yeah, that's where we at on that though. Dragon Cayenne. Sweet banana. So, alright y'all. Like and subscribe. Holla at your boy. Peace out.